Oh my God.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy DJ Stevie D, Florida Fisher Friends, and right now we're gonna make some smoked fish dip, locally caught smoked fish dip right here in the Florida Fishing Friends kitchen. It's a great smoker. We're smoking it with a proprietary blend of different woods. All right, guys, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this smoked kingfish right here, break it into a couple of pieces. Doesn't have to be broken up very much, just a few pieces. Because we're gonna want big pieces, nice chunks. You're gonna really taste it inside of this dip. There's the consistency you're gonna get. Okay, it's still nice and chunky and flaky. That's what you want. Put it all into this bowl here. The next step is your veggies. We're gonna start with a pepper. Make sure you get all the white part of this bell pepper out, like that. You can do it with your fingers and all the seeds. You don't have to cut them real small because we're gonna chop them in the food processor. Take a look at this, guys. That's the consistency you're looking for right there. Chopped fine, more than a dice. So we have our peppers, and we have our smoked fish. Now we go for our onions. So for these onions, I'm just gonna cut them in like 3 or 4 pieces here. One down the middle, 1, 2. That's it. Boom. Into there, we might do another half. It's time to take a sip of our vino. Salud. Cheers. This line tried to get away. Okay. Basically, we're chopping these onions the same way we did the peppers. Same consistency, guys. Honestly, that was the hardest part right there. I might cry because of this onion. We're gonna cut these lemons. We're gonna be using lemons and limes, fresh, locally bought, locally grown. We're gonna put our cream cheese in here now. Now that you have your cream cheese, the next step, your kingfish. I'm not gonna put it all, because at the end, I wanna fold some in at the end. Okay? So out of all those fillets, I left this much out, right here. Now it's time for all the other ingredients. Peppers and onions. A couple pinches of pepper, a couple pinches of salt, very little, like that. And then my special blend of seasonings. A little bit of olive oil, because olive oil goes in everything. Wow, that worked really good. Alright, right now we're going to put our wet ingredients, our freshly squeezed lemons and limes. Seedless, of course, we don't want any seeds. We have everything in here. Cream cheese, smoked kingfish, peppers, onions, seasoning, fresh lemon and lime juice, and olive oil. It's time to blend, guys. There it is.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so good right now. You cannot, oh my gosh, the fresh lime, the lemon juice, that smokiness from that great smoke blend that we're using. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it.
Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. That's it. Make sure you subscribe, like it, share it, and if you'd like to get some dip from us, hit me up, FloridaFisherFriends@gmail.com. Peace out.